Hi, this is Mike from the H&H Group. Today, I want to help you be a smarter marketer, maybe connect with your audience using some printed materials, and to help you understand the papers and finishes that are available in the marketplace today, because they're actually different than they were available just a few years ago. There are three aspects about paper that I think are important, and that's color, weight, and finish. And finish includes haptics, which I'm going to tell you about. First, let's talk about color. Since white is the most popular color for all printed materials, let's focus on that. If white is important to your brand, if you have a very specific brand color, or if you have a slew of marketing materials and they all have to be the same white stock, I'm going to suggest that you pick a family of stock, like a Domtar or a Nina, and you communicate that to your printer. You can even get a paper salesman to come visit you and he can help you pick out a family. If white isn't that important, then you can trust your printer to pick a good white sheet at a great value. The next aspect is weight. And when a printer says weight, what they really mean is thickness. And there are three basic thicknesses. There's text weight, where if you pull any softbound book off your shelf, text weight is the weight of the paper inside, right? It's nice and thin. There's cover stock, which is like the cover. If you can hear that, it has a little bit more bite to it. And then there's board stock. And board stock is like your Cheerios box or the board stock from a box of tissues. Lastly, it's the finish. And there are two types of finish that are just inherent in every kind of paper. There's gloss finishes, which is very shiny, and then there are matte finishes, which means it doesn't have much of a reflection. A lot of companies today find that matte finish is very trendy and are going that way. There's an additional way that you can interact with your audience, and that's by adding things after it's printed. Things like raised spot UV coatings, things like foil stamping, and things like soft touch lamination, which makes your product feel so cool nobody wants to put it down. Haptics is connecting through your audience through the way your product feels, and that's a whole science all in itself. So today I hope I've given you two things to take away. One is that you can be a little bit smarter in the way that you interact with your customers through your printed communications, and two, you'd feel a little more comfortable talking with your printer about stock. Lastly, you can call us or click on the link below and someone from my team or myself will be happy to reach out and help you. Thank you so much.